Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to download Facebook app on your iPhone. So let me directly get into step. First one is all about you have to tap on the App Store. Now from here in the App Store, we need to go at the bottom. There is the search icon, tap on the bottom. Now go over here, tap on the search. Now type Facebook. Tap on Facebook. Now from here, you have to scroll down and navigate to the Facebook. Tap on download icon. Now, from here you can search or you can visit to any profiles or anything. You can search for your friends and you can talk to them or you can entertain with them. I hope this quick video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye-bye.